Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining us for the third day of our three-day conference on the present state of advanced technologies in the pharmaceutical industry, hosted by the leading consulting agency, Deep Pharma Intelligence. This is the Eastern Hemisphere session, which will be heavily focused on opportunities in Hong Kong, as well as other regions. My name is Julia Bondaruk. I am Senior Strategic Partnerships Manager at Deep Knowledge Group, and I will be your moderator for today's talks and discussions. Here, you may see the agenda for the whole conference, the rise of advanced technologies in the pharmaceutical industry, divided by each day, and take a look at our guest speakers and invited Deep Knowledge Group professionals that we will be meeting today. A host company, Deep Pharma Intelligence, is producing regular analytical reports on major areas of high potential in the pharmaceutical and healthcare industries. They are maintaining ratings of companies, governments, based on their innovation potential and business activity in the biotech space. They are also providing strategic consulting and investment intelligence services to the top tier clients, including major investment funds and banks, family offices, insurance companies, government organizations, and big pharma companies, among others. The company is a joint venture between the two highly specialized UK-based market intelligence hubs in pharma and biotech space, which are Pharma division of Deep Knowledge Analytics, a specialized subsidiary of Deep Knowledge Analytics, the leading analytical entity specially focused on deep intelligence of the high potential areas in the pharma industry, including artificial intelligence for the drug discovery sector, and BPT Analytics, Biopharma Trend, a rapidly growing analytical portal and media resource dedicated to tracking emerging companies, startups and scale-ups, innovations, investments, and trends in the pharma and biotech space. One of the top focus areas for Deep Pharma Intelligence is artificial intelligence in pharma and technological aspects of drug development, as well as investment analytics. The company has recently published two special industry reports. One is Landscape of Advanced Technology Companies in Pharmaceutical Industry, and the other one is Artificial Intelligence for Drug Discovery, Biomarker Development, and Advanced R&D Landscape Overview. The first report reviews a wide spectrum of digital and data technologies, from artificial intelligence and big data technologies to quantum computing and lab automation and robotization in the pharmaceutical space, while the other report focuses especially on the advancement of artificial intelligence in the pharmaceutical industry as a central technology in the data economy. The parties who gain early access to these reports will have deep expertise on how their strategic agendas can be optimized in order to leverage novel research, new technologies, and emerging market opportunities, and stay competitive in a rapidly changing technological environment, and taking into account shifting global priorities and trends. To make this experience even more thorough, we developed Big Data Analytic platform, where registered users can create their own interactive analytical reports in the spheres and companies of interest, including every company SWOT analysis, funding distribution, region proportions, and many more. Day 3 will focus on the investment landscape in pharmaceutical and longevity industries. We'll learn about new trends and opportunities from a number of high-profile guest experts and Deep Knowledge Group team leaders. Their speeches will be followed by the general panel discussion, so everybody could ask questions to our speakers in chat to get additional insights on each topic. So to start today's sessions, our general partner of Deep Knowledge Group, Dmitry Kaminsky, will be presenting investment trends in pharmaceutical, deep tech, and longevity industry. Next, we will listen to Gregory Roll, Senior Manager at Invest Hong Kong, who will provide an overview of business opportunities in Hong Kong for healthcare and life science businesses and investors. Following Gregory, we will meet a special guest, Joe Fan, who is the Vice President and Deputy Head of Global Issuer Services at Hong Kong Stock Exchange. He will be delivering an overview on Hong Kong IPOs and listing opportunities. Next talk is planned for Anastasia Litt, who's the Vice President of Investor Relations and Business Development at Deep Knowledge Group. The topic is opportunities in special purpose acquisition companies for the biotech industry. Following Anastasia, we will hear from Stefan Nolte, who is a managing shareholder at Shonda Consult and Chief Advisor at SPAC Consultants on the theme Going Public Through a SPAC Merger. The meeting will draw the conclusion with a discussion panel featuring our speakers and specialists who will share their knowledge and address all of the topics mentioned, allowing us to connect with our conference audience via Q&A session. Please see on the screen our contact information and links to the launched reports again.